we're going to throw away glass bottles because France is big on recycling. Guys, this is not, we're not alcoholics. A bit, we're not alcoholics. So I'm gonna help Thomas. So you take a bottle and you just put it in. Hello cocos, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to prepare the dough for French galettes, and I'll show you what a French galette looks like. It looks like this. That's what a French galette looks like, and we're gonna be having it tonight, but I'm doing it myself because I have the machine to do it, and I want to share something French with you. Okay, so I need buckwheat flour, I need salt, but you know you're Jamaican when you put your salt you know, an ex-cantina, because I bought the salt in a big package. So this is big salt, you see how big? Alright, and I think it's probably available in whole food stores in Jamaica, so you can try this recipe at home. 330 10 grams of big salt, and I'm just going to, you know, put a little hole in the middle and spin. And remember, this is the French savory pancake, I would say. It's like, it's not like a pancake, it's more like a roti, like an Indian roti. Yeah, I think that's what it is, like an Indian roti. You know, with roti we put dal and stuff with it, so this is their savory roti. And for this you can put veggie chunks in it. If you're a vegetarian, you can put tofu. I'll show you how to make it later on. It seems consistent enough. Thomas likes his galette with ham and cheese. Funny story, I didn't do foods in high school. You know, foods is a subject in Jamaica. I didn't do foods. I opted for geo. Alright, so going into the fridge until later. So this is what it looks like. That's the consistency. See you later. Hey cocos, so it's time for the French galette, and this is the machine, and I'm going to show you how we do it. I have eggs, cheese, and ham. The recipe said that I should have left it for like 2 hours, but we took the day to do some stuff, so that didn't happen. I just heard the machine click, so that means it's ready. And we Jamaicans know the first one never ever right. So let's go. I'm supposed to take this and spread it out. Do not quote me on this. The first one never ever write it. First of all, me never put enough. Okay, trial number 2. This time I'm going to use butter. Please don't bash my method. But this is what I said I do. Let's go. As it drops, just spin it. Of course, me not have the spinning technique. Welcome to the third one. Guys, it looks exactly like what it should look like. It should be crispier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use less butter, and I'm going to use the handle to spread it. And a French galette is never complete without cider. And this is not a sweet one, it's like a hard one. So I'm going to hold on. Thomas, est-ce que tu peux venir s'il te plaît? Tu peux mettre du cidre, tu peux laver ça un petit peu et tu peux mettre du cidre. Merci. This one is mine. I'm gonna put more. Ooh. So I'm gonna put more black pepper on it. And we're going to eat this in front of The Voice on Saturday night. That's our thing. The last thing that you want to make are the best one. Hear that, man? Thomas have to get on it. And then when he's eating this one, he'll give you his honest opinion, okay? Alors, cette galette.
Ah, la plus croustillante que la première.
Voilà. So since I got the last one right, I'm going to do one last one. Can we get it right just at the end? No, so I'm going to do one last one. If you're still here, thank you so much for sticking and staying with TOOOOOOO THOUGH. This is my life in France and I want to share it with you. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, like, share and subscribe. And I don't know if that notification bell thing actually works, but click it same way. And yeah, if you're just joining us or like you skipped through everything, you reach us out. Alright, so I'm making French galettes. I made the dough this morning and like I finally get the right cooking time. So let's go. For this last one, let's get funky. I don't want to put any more eggs in. I'm going to put some butter on it. Yeah. Then I brought some spicy cheddar cheese. These are the Jamaican version. And it's done, so I'm just gonna put everything fine. This is probably a French galette deluxe. That's what I would have called this. But I do have galettes like this with meat on it. It's just that I always buy one with fish or something. Yeah, because it's healthier. Alright, so the cheese melting. And on goes. So maybe it's tender. You know, come out of the fridge and we can cut it up like that. Yeah. Maybe it's well seasoned. Again, I don't want to use another egg. So this is a Jamaican galette. I'm sure you found Jamaican galette. No. Oh, I think I got it. I know what it is. I have to leave it, make it really cook. Turn it. I have to leave it, make it really cook actually. So now I know. No. Thomas, this is the Jamaican galette. What do you think? I can taste this.
Spicy.
So guys, I am going to try the galette, and this one is the Jamaican twist one. Well, cocos, if you haven't already, buy some buckwheat flour and make some galettes. Tastes real good. And having some of the cider. So good.